High-tech talk fans, today we're exploring a gaming powerhouse, the Alienware 16 Area-51 2025. With a 24-core Ultra 9-75HX RTX 50 series GPU, mechanical keyboard, and cosmic RGB, this beast is truly out of this world. Let's break down the specs. CPU: Intel Core Ultra 9-75HX A24-core Arrow Lake HX flagship chip, boost up to 5.4 GHz. GPU options: RTX 5070 Ti, RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 or top-tier RTX 5090. RAM and storage: 32GB DDR5 6400 standard, expandable to 64GB. Up to MM2 slots for SSD, 1TB Gen for typical. Display: 16 QHD plus to 560/1600, 240Hz, 3 milliseconds IPS, 100% DCI-P3, 500 nit brightness, includes G-Sync plus Advanced Optimus. Keyboard: low-profile Cherry NX mechanical, per key RGB. Ports: 2 Thunderbolt 5, 3 USB A 3.2, HDMI 2.1, SD slot, headset jack. Networking: Intel Wi-Fi 7 B1750, Bluetooth 5.4. Battery and power: 96Wh battery, 360W adapter. Weight approximately 7.5 pounds, 3.4 kilograms. The chassis is finished in liquid teal aluminum with curved edges and otherworldly RGB accents, a true sci-fi aesthetic. Cooling is robust, visible backfiring fans under a glass bottom, supporting 205 West combined CPU, GPU power. So mechanical Cherry NX keyboard and sleek chassis deliver both style and function. Synthetic tests: scores 20,960 in 3D MARK time SPI, often outperforming even RTX 5090 equipped rivals due to excellent thermals. Real-world gaming: Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 108 OP highest equals 213 FPS. Metro Exodus at 1080p extreme equals 92 FPS. Alan Wake 2 at DLSS frame gen equals 136 to 140 FPS. Productivity: excellent multi-threaded CPU performance, solid encoding and benchmarks. The display is bright 515 nits and color-accurate Delta E 0.21, but lacks the deep blacks of old. Keyboard and speakers are praised as best-in-class. Battery life: for web browsing, 1.9H gaming, typical for desktop replacements. Desktop-grade performance in a portable 16 form. Sci-fi aesthetic with rich RGB and premium aluminum. Cherry NX mechanical keyboard, rare on laptops. Excellent display brightness and color accuracy. Heavy 3.4 kilograms, bulky desktop replacement design. No old option, contrast limited by IPS. Short battery life to H in gaming. Expensive, starting at $2,999, stepping to $3,249, $3,499 depending on config. Starts at $1,999 for base config RTX 5070 Ti, membrane keyboard. RTX 5080 config, $3,249 review unit. RTX 5090 builds, $3,499 plus. That's the Alienware 16 Area-51, a desktop replacement powerhouse with unmatched RGB flair, mechanical keys, and elite gaming performance. Is this your dream rig, or too bulky and pricey? Drop a comment below, hit like and subscribe for more tech talk reviews. See you next time.